If you have been around in crypto, you've probably heard about the Monad mainnet that is about to launch, and we have a couple things that play into that, one of them being Monami over here, which is pioneering a decentralized network built on Monad, which is already live, you can use, and they have nodes behind it, the Monami Lite nodes over here, which work pretty much automatically, so you simply get them once and they farm tokens for you every single minute. Now, so far, because we just started, we found a couple tokens here, we can refresh the page, and you can see that it already increased as this one happens the entire time. And I wanted to show this with you as they're powering the AI innovation worldwide, in which you can use your unused internet, turn that into real rewards, and don't let it go to waste. I will have links to everything down below, but let's start with what they're working on first and what it is, and then get into the notes. Monami enables users to contribute and utilize their idle resources while being rewarded with native tokens through a trustless and transparent system. Simple as in you log into it, can be through Google or with your email, and then you start earning by sharing your idle bandwidth and computing power. Furthermore, you can also download the extension, log into your account and receive a free node on top of that. Share your idle bandwidth, complete tasks, invite your friends, all of that. And also farm tokens along the way, which then give you different sort of ranks, but also have the option to connect your social accounts like Twitter and Discord, have different ranks for your light nodes themselves as well. And then also in your activity score, allow you to get additional speed boost where depending on what you do, you can farm some points, get some experience points in order to level up, and even do some side quests down there like and retweet, engage, be active on social media, and then get more experience up there. They also have a referral system behind it. So of course, if you like it and you already get a couple nodes yourself, you can send it to friends, have them join Monami as well. And while all of that is happening, your nodes are farming tokens. Now on Twitter, they already talked about that almost a month ago, the wait was over and Monami was live. And just after 2 weeks, as they show over here, numbers don't lie. They had over 100,000 light nodes that ran over 4 billion of Monami mined and almost 400 million in XP earned, making it pretty big. On top of that, you don't need any special hardware, no weird setup, nothing to additionally download, anything like that. As long as you have a browser and internet, it's all good to go. And you have seen it yourself in crypto, it's hard enough to find something where you're early, like a layer 1 chain like Monad that it's just launching, have something as simple as a plug and earn feature where you simply start, you sign up, and that is it. That is already live that you can use and has a real utility token behind it that you can earn immediately. Now, if you do want to buy a node, you can connect your wallet up here, which can be either your MetaMask wallet, your EVM wallet, or your Solana wallet, which can also be connected. You then select the network. For example, there's ETH, BNB, Arbitrum, Base, Optimism. I would go with BNB as I use that the most. You select the currency, like the main stablecoin on there or USDT, select the amount of nodes. You can add a ref code down here as well in order to get 10% off. Mine is going to be in the description down below, but will also be, I think, applied automatically with the link. You'll see it. And you also see how much money you get off additionally if you buy a certain amount of node keys. If you want 30% off, so basically 30 nodes for free, you can buy up to 100 in one transaction. With BNB at like $600, $700 right now, this would be about $2,600 give or take, which then also saves you about 1.3 and more BNB just based on the discount alone. I'm already mining everything in here. You can also check how much you mined with each node, as well as give them names to organize them, but that is not needed. See if the status of that checks out, if everything is connected, and then simply log in day by day in order to see how many tokens you farm. Again, it's as simple as sign up, buy the nodes, done. Nothing else has to be done, and you can farm tokens that way. Follow them on Twitter as well as Telegram in order to stay updated when everything in here launches and they progress even more. And you know, this one is a good way to start passive income, as this one is as passively as it gets. Links down below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.